And so we flew all the way to Florida just for this. You want some balls? Yeah, you sure? It's from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. Saturday and Sunday. We booked the hotel closer here just for this. Dragon fruits, got sour soap. Wow. Nó mềm mềm á, mình ăn được á.
Bên kia chắc nó chín hơn nên rẻ hơn, bên kia là nó chín rồi. Còn
phải
đây chưa có chín, qua thử ơi. Gì mất vậy? Cá không tắt đi. Trời ơi, cái này 10 đồng. Đang tắt có phía sau lưng á.
Này cứng á.
Chị cho em xin 22 đồng. Có mấy?
Mango look good. China's mango. Wow. Bán nhánh hả?
Bán nhánh.
Tính tiền chị ơi.
Ok. Cho em xin 8 đồng đi.
Đây, tất cả chị ơi.
Ngày 2-3 ngày chín gì?
What did I say? 23. Almost 8,000. I give you one more, make it 8, okay?
All right, that's for the core.
Yeah.
That's for the leaves, extra leaves.
These are $7 pound.
$7.
These are $9 pound. Kiểu sơ với.
Đây ngon không cô?
Mấy tiền nào á? Cái chim kiểu sơ với hả? It's really good.
That's that one? That one and that one?
Ngọt không?
Ngọt hả? Nó xanh mà ngọt hả?
Nó xanh mà nó ngọt.
Free for you.
Oh, thank
Oh,
you.
thank you. Wait.
Okay, thank you. That's
Thank you.
okay. Thank you.
Got all these fresh veggies here too. This is like mullet. Wait. Squash. Wow. Welcome cool.
Cô bán thịt cua phải không?
Yeah. Phải đó nhiều. No, but the mango that we got is really good. Alright, there's a bunch of coconuts here. $3.50 each. You pick your coconut and you bring it to that guy there. Chop it up for you. She'll collect the money. So you have to know how to pick the coconut, okay?
Why is it so long?
That's a good one. It's telling me it's good.
It's not a watermelon, okay? You gotta be.
This looks promising, see? The coconut meat is not too thick and not too thin. See?
Làm giờ không? Come back.
Told you, get the green one. Get the green one. Lựa trái xanh mới ngon cô.
Xanh ngọt hả?
Dạ, xanh ngọt á.
Giang ơi, cái xanh ngọt.
Mấy trái vàng á, nó già, nước nó chua lắm. Đó, lựa mấy trái xanh.
Giang ơi, lấy trái này, Giang ơi.
Nước mía cold pressed sugar cane juice. Including the branch? We don't need the branch.
That's good, that's good. Yes. That's good. Thank you. That's it, I have no more.
Oh, there's fruit trees. You got a tamarind tree. We got some custard apple. That's a lemon tree. That's a dimble. We got măng. It is 9 o'clock right now. And we are leaving. It is getting hot. So I recommend you guys coming here early. They open at 7. We came out around like 8. Been here for an hour and it's getting really hot. Do not come here at noon, man. You're gonna be burnt. Especially in the summertime. We got enough fruits for the week. But these fruits are perfect for us to bring to the beach to munch on.